Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So I am bringing a video to you. I am making, I guess some fabric collage, fabric layered. I don't want to say collage, but I would say layered pieces for my journals and all of my projects, really my Christmas projects. But you can do this obviously with any project. So I'm just making a bunch. I'm actually filming videos for Patreon, and I made some of these to go on some projects, for the videos over there. And I said, well, you know what? Maybe my girlies and my friends over here at YouTube would like to check this out. So this is one I made. Very pretty. Okay. Just layered some pieces of fabric with the hot glue, or you can use your fabric glue, either way it works. I've done this in smaller pieces before. I have a video on my channel where I just essentially just pretty much did the similar thing, but more for I guess you call those like clusters or snippets. And I would say these are more strips. But if you wanted to make a snippet of this, you can just, make it like this and cut it down into pieces and then just, decorate it however you want. So let me see. This is so I have this little flower here. So if you wanted to put this on a piece, like this, like look, that's so pretty, right? That's so pretty, right? Beautiful. Hold on if I can hold it up. If it'll stay. Beautiful. Or you can put it on something like this. Okay, just beautiful, right? So, yeah, I had a bunch of pieces, like scraps, fabric scraps and little pieces, and they were kind of getting on my nerves. And I said, well, let me use this stuff up. So I just started sitting here layering some stuff, layering stuff for journals and tag flips and all kinds of stuff. Now, whatever's not Christmas themed or whatever, I'm just going to keep for year round. But I wanted something specifically for Christmas. Now look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful sort of faux rhinestone. I guess you can call fabric. I don't know, y'all. Here, this is what it looks like on the roll. Okay. So I got some of that. Look, I got it on clearance too. I should have got two of them, y'all. But it's so much on here that yeah, it's a lot. But it's really good quality. Sometimes this stuff, the rhinestones and stuff fall off of it. But I guess you can always spray it with something like some adhesive or something, so the rhinestones won't fall off. But that's what I'm using, and I literally have about 4 bags of like scraps and trims and all kinds of stuff, around me, right? So I am just gonna just do this, y'all, and I'm just gonna show you real quick what I'm doing. This is gonna be super easy and simple. So I love this this ribbon, this trim is beautiful. And this is something honestly, y'all, I would use year round. I mean, it's Christmas time, but I would personally use it year round. So I just take the hot glue and put it kind of in the center, right where I want it, and or your regular glue, whatever you want to do. All right. And then this is a big piece, so you don't have to make it this big. You can just make them whatever size you want. And then I lay my hold on, let me see. Let me put the glue gun down now, y'all. And I just lay my ribbon like right on top, because I want this to kind of go in the middle of it. So this stuff, sticks out like that. Okay. And just give it a minute or so to let it dry. Pick it up so it doesn't, stick to your surface. Now, what's going to happen is you're probably going to see this glue on the background, but in the back, but it doesn't matter because you're going to end up gluing it on something anyway. Right? You can glue it to paper or journal or whatever you want to put it on. Oh, hold on, y'all. I got glue everywhere now. Just a second. But you know what I mean. So, or you can back it with some more fabric if you want to. So I love that, right? I love beautifully embellished items. So I'm just kind of holding this so it doesn't stick to the back of this. And I don't want it on the front either. So I'm just gonna have to hopefully it won't stick to the back of this thing. But I guess if it does, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna put it on some paper anyway, right? So yeah, all right. So that's what we have for this one. Now I'm just gonna really just glue this on top. But look at this. Won't this be beautiful? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my god, that's so pretty. Like I have a ton of different things here. And oh, I forgot to show you the ones I made so far while that's drying. So I made this one. All right. This is gonna go on a project. Again, it's kind of big, but I would probably cut it in half and put it on something, maybe. Again, this is 3 layers. So this is the like the beaded trim with the lace trim, and again with the just a regular ribbon on the back. Very cute. And this one is just the 2 layers. But I can always back this with something as well. Like I can put something like, not that I would do that, but you know what I mean. You can back it with something bigger is what I mean. All right. And then I have some gold stuff over here. Now this is the white ribbon that I used. Ivory. Okay. Again, a clearance find. Use it that clearance stuff, y'all. And then I have another one over here. Like this is so pretty. This crushed velvet. Isn't that gorgeous? This one is oh, I think I got this at Joann's, I think. This looks like a Joann's brand. This crushed velvet. Beautiful. I don't even know when I got that, but probably at another Christmas time, you know. So I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna make a bunch of them, and I'm gonna have them in a bag, and I'm just gonna have them sort of ready to cut and use on so many different projects. Okay. Now this should be dry now. Okay. So let's go ahead and put this down here. Let me get another glue stick. Okay, we need some more glue. Hold on. Hang on. Hang on. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Uh-oh. Just try not to get it everywhere. And try not to burn yourself. Okay. So let's see here. All right. Not that you would need this much glue, but this glue gun is just kind of I don't know. It's weird. All right. Just a little bit. Just enough for it to stick. Okay. And I'm just gonna lay this down. All right. So just lay this down right on top. Okay. And then here. Let me see here. I need to I had some tweezers, y'all. Just a second. Yeah, so something that you can put, you know, down where you won't burn your hand. Okay, so that's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful. All right, it's kind of bunched up right here. And you can just cut this up and use it on whatever. Like I think that would make, well, let me see, it's hot. Look at that. That'll make a pretty cuff. Like, right? Put a little clasp on that. Think about that. You can put a clasp on it. Well, cut this down. Put a clasp on it, right? A clasp and close it and put some little, you know, appliques on that. That would be cute. Ooh, applique would be pretty on this. I have some too. So, okay, let's organize this kind of the way we want it here. All right. Now, let's see. I might have to put a little bit more glue in certain places on here because this backing is not sticking. Okay, let's see here. All right. And then, yeah, so it's done. Okay, super cute. And we could put it on all kinds of projects. You can embellish it or however you want. You know, like I have some little snippet things I've been making. I'm sorry, this glue is annoying me, y'all. Hold on a second. I like these. I need it. Like these might be some little snippets, you know. You can always layer something like that on it or whatever you want to do, you know, like, I don't know, whatever you want to do, you know. Okay, so yeah, just simple and easy, and you can put it on your project, right? I love that. I love it, love it, love it. So I think I'm gonna back this with something else. Hold on, let me see where this other this trim is. I love that. I'm gonna get another piece of trim here. Not quite so long, so I'm just gonna cut this. All right, this is gonna be a quick video here. Quick little video for you. Okay, let's see. So I don't know. I mean, you could do it like that too. Look, that's beautiful with the gold and the gold. Right? That's pretty, actually. Very pretty. Huh. I like that. Okay, I might do that. Maybe. Or let me see. How does this one look? The gold with the red. Oh, that's pretty too. Look at that. That's beautiful. So you see, you can put your little thing there. Okay, have your little you know, embellishment there, and there you go. All right. So that's pretty. I don't know what I want to do. I'm gonna sit and play with it for a while, you know, and see what I can come up with. So let's see. Or, you know, you can really go. Let's see. Here, let's play with it here for just a second. So not that I would do that, but I think that this is too thick, you know, because I want this to show at the bottom. Right. So, but you could, you know, you could. You certainly could. Not that you would do that, but that's a lot. Right? That's a lot. That's a lot. There's a lot going on. Right? Just beautiful. Right? Just really beautiful. Okay. So yeah. Or I have some other gold trim over here. You can use something like this. Right? These two on here. So Yeah, just pull out your trims and play and make you some layered pieces. So layered fabric pieces. I think these are gorgeous. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do that with this though. All right. So I just wanted to bring you something real quick and easy and fun. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave it below and I'll answer and get back to you. And make sure you give me a follow on all of my social media. I'm at Stephanie Garrett Creative on most social media platforms. My Linktree link is listed in the description, and you can find all the links that you need there and also down in the description. All right. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.